Delete duplicate beam lines, beam-switch. Note, when using beam editing functions, beam lines must be placed on either the beam or beam SE layer. Delete duplicate beam lines. This command is used to remove overlapping beam lines. Click the Delete Duplicate Beam Lines function. The program automatically searches for all line segments in the beam or beam SE layer and prompts. Beam, layer straight line has been searched 43. Beam, layer straight line has been removed 3, left 40. The program automatically eliminates all coincident beam lines and informs you of the result. Duplicate beam lines removed. Beam line widening. This command is used to modify the width of already drawn beam lines. Click the Beamline Widening function. Select a beam line that needs to be widened on one side. Enter the distance from the beam line. Single side beam width adjustment completed. Beamline Repair. This command forcibly closes beam lines that appear closed, sealing any gaps up to 0.8 mm after plotting. Click the Beamline Repair function. Select the beam line to be repaired. Beamline Repair completed. Beam section number. This command is used to draw the beam section mark on the plan. Click the Beam Section Number function. Select the starting point and the end point of the beam section number. Beam section mark placement completed. Beam-switch. This command is used to toggle between dashed and solid beam lines. Click the Beam-switch function. Select the beam line to change the line type. Beam line converted from dashed to solid. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.